gentlemen, today we are unboxing the Mad Dog 357 5 million scoville capsaicin extract hot sauce. As you can see here, it was bought, has the receipt and code on the front, and we're going to unbox it here. And it's all nicely wrapped up. Going on.
Now we tried this stuff before.
Yeah. By the way, I forgot about that. This is 1,357 Mad Dog Gold Edition 25th anniversary turbocharged hot sauce. It's 1 million Scoville, and they have their 9 million number 9 plutonium hot sauce embedded in this. This is a sweet, liquidy, very flavorful sauce with a decent kick, but it's not too crazy. It has a lot of flavor to it, believe it or not, for something that's a little bit over 1 million. And I enjoy it on a lot of the foods. This is my buddy Barney here. He enjoys it. We've used almost a quarter of the bottle. It's quite enjoyable. Now this
is a hot sauce you eat with your food.
Yeah. Now what I'm unboxing.
This is an extract.
Yeah, this is an extract, and you'll notice in a minute when I open it. Right here, the first thing you see is a giant waiver of liability, which this one sort of has, but this one has it more as a staunch warning on a separate piece of paper, and it goes through, due to the extreme nature of this product, or if you give this as a gift, you'll tell them how dangerous this is. This is 5 million Scoville. This is pure extract, where this is a hot sauce with extract in it to boost it up to 1 million. And as you can tell, when I open this, this stuff is completely and utterly just thick, and it's just gonna suck.
So let's see how thick it is.
Yeah, let's try that out.
Pretty good. It's pretty gooey.
It's almost like a thick tobacco paste of, oh my goodness, oh God. So as you can tell,
it's kind of a straight oil.
Smells
kind of
terrible.
Get an idea of it.
Now my question is to Barney, how much of this are we gonna eat today?
We will do a nice big dip.
Okay, let's
You actually feel it hit in there.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's a good one right there. I like that. Yep. We'll give that to Jones. No. Sorry, he's gonna fight it, but I'll take that one. Jonesy, can you redo Jonesy's, please? That's not right.
Or maybe even.
Yeah, I mean, this needs to be completely and utterly. There you go. There you go. Nice and thick. There you go, Jonesy. Now, just so you know, my buddy Barney here got a little bit of this on his finger and in his eyeball, and it was it was funny.
Don't do that.
It was so funny. Now, this is gonna suck because I've already. Yeah, this is gonna be horrible.
So here's the basic idea. Put it on your tongue, lick the entire portion off.
Do not swallow for 30 seconds, guys. You understand that? We both agree to that for 30 seconds, and I'll do the count. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, kicks in.
Oh. Don't swallow. Do not swallow yet. That's hot. Yep. I think it's going down. Oh. Oh.
It's ramping up.
You okay there, Jonesy? Are you gonna throw up?
A little bit.
Just a little bit. It gets way worse before it gets better.
This is 5 million. For sure it tastes like horrible. This is an additive.
As an extract, it tastes pretty gross. Because it's meant to be added to your food. Never eaten like we did directly, only as an additive.
Do not do this unless you know what you're doing.
Just don't do it.
Just don't. Jonesy's dying over
We're
there.
extreme connoisseurs of heat.
Oh no.
Oh, I think it might be hot.
That's a little bit. Oh.
Oh yeah. Took my brother out to breakfast before this.
3 spots.
It's all right. Good job. High quality. Just sit down
The numbness is from the endorphins.
and relax. Are you alive?
Yeah. I ain't touching my face until I wash my hands. It's crazy. That was the hottest thing I ever tried in my life.
You ready for a second one?
No. Okay, well, we're back. We're alive. He's alive, surprisingly. He, as you can tell, it was hot for all of us, I would have to agree.
Yeah.
It was one of the hottest things I've ever done. It sucked. It feels like I have a...
I love hot, and that was hot.
That was pure heat. What do you think? How'd you feel since you kind of got the brunt of it?
I like the malic acid extract better. But as soon as I noticed I started drooling a lot, I couldn't speak anymore. My face went numb, fire, my hands went numb for sure. They weren't on fire, but the worst part that I remember is it felt like a barbed rope. It was red hot and just being ripped out of my throat. And my chest is still kind of warm, but it was all on fire. My chin's still on fire. The throat was fire.
You feel like a dragon.
Yeah, it didn't come out my nose, it didn't get into my eyes, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, for a good 3 to 7 minutes, I felt incapacitated.
So as you can tell from his thing, if you're not used to hot stuff, anything over a million, just don't do. Let us do the stupid stuff. That was probably the hottest thing I've ever done. Hottest thing I've actually tried. And the amount, I mean, like he was saying, after the first 2 seconds of ingesting it, after the terrible, disgusting flavor came, it was just, it's not even.
That's what I think is funny about it. It's so hot that it just burns everything, but then it tastes like ashes in your mouth.
It tastes like this, it's just disgusting, like you just licked an ashtray.
Right, but that's because it's meant to be added to your food so that you don't taste that normally. You know, you can make common hot sauces hotter. We just wanted to see what happens if you go a little bit more extreme with it.
That was 5 million Scoville, which is ridiculous. Channel. That's just a shout out to Mad Dog 357, who, by the way, is the one who... Thank you.
Such good products.
They do. If you are hot sauce people, I do have to say they're always been on point. Everything they have has always been high quality.
Or just like pain. Or
just painful. Their stuff is legit. Their Scoville ratings are lab tested, and their lab results are available on their website.
Yep.
Each product always comes with a massive waiver, which usually means massive pain. So like we said, don't try this if you're not used to it. Whatever you do, don't do a spoonful of it. So have a good day and just have fun, stay hot, and stay beautiful, people.
Don't die.
Don't die.
Don't die.